Hi guys, this is a new session, upcoming session, to build a scale model of Chandrayaan 3, the Vikram lander which was sent by ISRO to the moon. So this is a beautiful looking scale model, and this is completely built upon brass and aluminum frames. So this particular session I'm going to cover the 3D design and the laser cutting of each and every components and solder it and how to make it and stuff like that. So the overall session is going to be like, including the landing gears. These four gears are basically used for landing the entire module on the moon. And you can see this particular section, this is particularly made of plastic, and this has got the Vikram inside this particular module. This particular robot was known as Pragyan, which was built by ISRO. So this is supposed to come out and do the navigation around the moon. So this is a single piece of aluminum and die cast as well. So you can see that there's a hollow block inside, and you can just close it again. So this entire section is basically built using aluminum. Most part is aluminum, sorry, the most part is brass, and some parts are aluminum, like for example this laser cut solar panels. So it's going to be interesting session, guys. It's a pretty unique project. And also at a later stage I'm thinking of adding some electronics to it to make certain things functional. This particular scale model is pretty detailed and intensive. So as you can see, every component, including the thrusters here, the thruster motors, which takes off, which actually maneuvers the entire Vikram lunar module. This also has got RCS, which is basically reaction control system thruster, a smaller thruster which is used to control the orientation during the descent. And also the radar Doppler altimeters here you can see, along with the cameras, and also the laser altimeters and hazard detection and avoidance cameras around here, and also the landing cameras at the bottom, and also the deployment ramp which I showed you here, where the Pragyan rover comes out, and also the solar panels and the thermal panels, the antenna communication system on the top. There are loads of things, guys. So each and everything takes several months of efforts to build. Of course, this session is going to be which I'm going to conduct, is going to show you the 3D artifacts, how to draw the drawing and get it printed, laser cut in the laser machine, and then put the assembly together. It's a pretty complex interset, and it's going to be pretty interesting stuff. So see you soon. Goodbye.